To be a great musician, you need to have a good musical ear. Fortunately, anyone can get a good ear with the proper training. The only thing you need is motivation and the right tools. So if you're motivated to become a better musician, we have the best tool for you to build up your skills. EarMaster 7 is the leading music theory app on Windows, Mac, and iOS. It includes complete courses in ear training, sight singing, rhythm training, and a lot more. It's very easy to use and fits the needs of musicians of all levels playing any musical instrument. Ear training is like learning a new language, the language of music. By using EarMaster's ear training workshops, you will quickly be able to recognize intervals, chords, scales, cadences, rhythms, and melodies by ear. You will become better at transposing music as you play and at transcribing songs or complex musical phrases. You will also find it much easier to play music by ear and improvise with other musicians. Being able to understand the language of music is an amazing skill, but learning how to read it will open up even more possibilities. With EarMaster's sight singing course, you will learn to read musical scores and sing them at first sight. All you need to do is sing the notes on the screen, and EarMaster will give you instant feedback on your pitch and rhythmic accuracy. Try it, it's a lot of fun, and it will teach you how to sight sing in no time. Good timing is essential to playing with other musicians. EarMaster 7 includes a full range of rhythmic exercises to help you tighten up your rhythmic skills. You can tap the rhythms on your computer keyboard or the screen of your iPad, or you can plug a microphone and clap rhythms in real time. EarMaster 7 also offers a complete music theory course for beginners. With its Learn by Doing approach, it will take you through all the core concepts of music theory through a wide variety of interactive exercises. You might start as a total newbie, but you'll end up knowing everything you need to carry on and explore more advanced topics. Or, if you're a trained musician, you might use this course to freshen up your music theory skills. If you're interested in jazz, you've come to the right place. EarMaster has always been known for its awesome jazz exercises. They will introduce you to jazz harmony and swing, and train your aural and sight singing skills with a selection of famous jazz and blues classics. If you're preparing for an exam, or if you need to improve specific aspects of your skills, you can configure your own EarMaster exercises very easily. Just select an activity, pick the options of your choice, and off you go. The possibilities are extremely vast and will enable you to focus your training sessions on specific aspects of your musicianship. To answer the exercises, you have several options. You can use multiple choice buttons. You can write notes into a musical staff. You can insert them via on-screen instruments like a piano, guitar, bass, cello, or violin. You can play them on a MIDI keyboard connected to your computer. Or, if you have a microphone, you can sing, clap, and play your answers in real time. To make sure you're making solid progress, EarMaster includes a complete result monitoring interface where you will find all your results and stats. You can check how good you are at recognizing each interval or chord, how fast you've answered the exercises, how much time you've been training the past weeks, and so on. But enough talking. Head over to EarMaster.com to download the free version of EarMaster 7 on PC, Mac, or iOS and start becoming a better musician now.